everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday. I am here with my mom, Peggy, and we are unboxing FabFitFun Take 2. Oh my gosh. So we had a little disaster. Everything was falling all over. I accidentally had this music from my headphones on, and we're refilming. So we had our stuff neatly packed in the boxes, and now it's a bit of a mess. But that's okay because we want to share everything we got. FabFitFun is $49.95 every quarter. And if you use the link below, you're going to get $10 off of your first box. So that's always exciting. We love FabFitFun. It's like it's Christmas. And we love the boxes. My mother actually you use the box for your flowers. So that's cool. So, okay, let's dig in. We're just going to blindfold dig into our messy boxes. What do you got?
I have a picnic basket.
Yay!
It's insulated.
Who's it by? Who did this one? It is Business and Pleasure. What does it actually say? I can't see it. I don't know. It's some sort of picnic basket.
You carry it like this.
Yeah, that's kind of cute.
Or
we could use it for snacks. So that's kind of cute. I don't know. I like it. I don't know if I like the burlap. It's cute though. I like it.
Do
you like the burlap? I got the Amica Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray. I love Amica, so this is pretty cool. And I want to try this. This is kind of cool. I'm curious if it'll get rid of my frizz. My humid hair.
Ooh,
I always get
really
I have really bad. Today's really humid, and usually when it gets humid, my hair gets really big. It smells good.
Like a beauty shop.
It does. I like that. Okay, so that's good. Okay, digging in.
Eyebrow. Oh, she got
the box. I got the Business and Pleasure insulated
your
bag.
Snacks, and these are my snacks.
Yeah, so we can each choose our own snacks and take them to the beach. And we can bring more water. So that I'm going to throw that over there. What did you get?
I got eyebrow stuff.
Oh, this is Winky Lux. This is the brow pencil. I
have no eyebrows.
You don't really use brow pencil. I don't either because I have bangs. Well, we'll get this to somebody. So that's pretty awesome. Okay. My mother wants to steal this. This is the next item.
Yeah, this is pretty.
This is oh my gosh, this is a towel.
I wish I would have got
from,
that.
I know, L-Space. Why didn't you get this?
I don't know.
You got the vase instead. Show me your vase.
Okay.
She got the, let me show. It's coming out here. It's kind of cute. It's a vase.
It's pretty.
What is this? The Isaac Marahi. I always say that wrong. The vase it's kind of like a mat with like a gloss. It'll be cute for your flowers. Yeah. But I like the towel. I wish you'd gotten the towel. Oh my gosh, we need 2 of these. This is a really nice. It's actually really soft, and it's kind of like a mystic tie dye going on. This is really pretty, and it's got like this nice edge.
I don't like real flowers, so I make paper flowers.
That's true. Your paper flowers. That'll be good. Okay, so I'm throwing the towel. Okay, next up, what do we have? Oh, of course we get a FabFitFun magazine. I love reading this at night. That's always fun to read the FabFitFun magazine. Next up, I got the Terramere Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Check it out. That's a really big bottle. This is heavy. I wonder if this is sealed.
How's it smell?
You know, I can't smell it. I wonder if it's sealed. Oh, you know what? Look, it is sealed. Oh, wow.
Let me smell.
Oh, that smells kind of good, actually. It's not super strong.
No.
I love toner, so this is awesome. I'm excited about this. I don't have the prices on this, you guys, only because I think it's too hard to grab. To grab all the prices here. Oh my gosh, what did you get? This is the Yumi Kim. You know what? You got this instead of the towel. I wish you got the towel.
I got the towel.
I know. Why did you get this? This is the charging pad.
It looks like perfume. I thought it was perfume.
This is the Yumi Kim charging pad. I have no idea if these work. I've never used a charging pad, but we'll definitely try it. Oops, I just dropped the instructions. We will try it. What's next? Oh, I got one of those too.
Ooh,
the Kula. Yay. I'm excited about this. This is the Kula 70% plus organic mineral face sunscreen with a matte finish, sheer, non-greasy, fast-absorbing, and plant protection.
So I have sunscreen, but no towel.
Yeah, I know. But you got something to take your snacks to the beach with.
Yeah.
What the heck is plant protection? I don't know what that means. SPF 30, but I really do like the Kula. The Kula is awesome. Okay. I got this. What did you... Oh, that's something different. I got the...
Zoyella.
I got the Spongella Coconut Verbena. This is a hand cream.
I got one of those.
You got one of those too? Oh,
yeah.
pull that out. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see what this... Oh, that smells really good. That's like, I'm kind of sick of
Yeah, it
coconut.
does
It's not
smell
bad
good.
though. This is a nice
Yeah,
coconut.
I
This is
like it.
actually really nice. And check it out. This is a big tube. I'm putting this in my car caddy. You know, with all
Yeah.
my masks
Because
and my
all that,
yeah,
all
the
that hand
the
sanitizer
antibacterial. I know.
is
It's
eating
making,
your hands.
it is. That is awesome. So what's in
This
here?
is called Zoe Ice Roller. An ice roller.
A Zoe Ayla ice roller. What the heck? Face and body. What the heck do you do with this? You know, maybe you got this instead of the towel.
Maybe.
We're breaking this. Okay, so what do you put this in the freezer and then
I
you
don't
roll it on
know.
your face? I think you do. Enjoy the benefits of the cold therapy with this extremely convenient tool by Zoe Ayala. Gets rid of puffy eyes,
Ooh.
redness, tightness, and rejuvenates skin. Helps decrease pore size, brighten under eye circle, reduces the appearances of blemishes and fine
It's
lines. It is cold.
Yeah.
Do you put it in the freezer?
I don't know.
Leave your ice roller in the freezer for 4
Oh.
hours. Oh,
Wow.
it's kind of interesting. Oops.
Yeah.
It's kind of interesting. Okay,
Yeah.
it's an ice roller. We don't know if it works. Okay, what else do I have in here? I think you know what? This was in your box. We'll just sneak that back to you.
Oh, what?
That was part of the disaster when our boxes fell over. I think, is this our last item? No,
Yeah.
I got, you know what? I got the Winky Lux. I got the Winky, I got my own brow. My own brow pencil. And
I got a bunch of paper.
I got a bunch of paper. Okay, so our last item is the Taroka Skin foot cream. We both got foot cream. This is the Sicilian
And I don't
Blonde
like foot
Orange.
cream.
You don't like foot cream. My husband likes foot cream, so I'm giving him all the foot cream. Let me smell this. Okay. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like Sicilian. You don't like it? It's got kind of a, it's got kind of an edge to it.
Smells like
You know what?
peas.
It's got like, you know what? It has in it. It's got like some sort of like eucalyptus in it, I
Oh,
think.
does it? I like eucalyptus.
You do like eucalyptus. Maybe that's not what it is. I don't know. It's got something in it that's like fairly pungent.
What's it got in it? You know, pumice. If it's got
Maybe it's
that's
got
what I
pumice
don't
in
like.
it. Is it? I can't even read this. It's so small. I'll have to look
Don't
this one
ask
up.
me for help.
I know. Got two people who can't see here. Yeah, it is kind of pungent. I'll give it to my husband. I'll use it. So anyway, I feel like this box was like taller this time. This is a bigger box than we usually get. It feels like it's like taller.
It does.
The boxes are awesome. My mother loves the boxes.
I do.
We got lots of paper in it too.
Yeah.
So, okay. The wins in this box, my favorite item is definitely my towel. And I'm loving the toner.
What is my favorite?
And I'm
item?
loving the Kula.
My favorite item is the vase.
The vase.
The
The
Kula.
Kula.
The verbena.
The coconut verbena. Yeah.
And
So, yeah, you were crazy about
we
your
both got
charger.
this.
We don't know if you like your charger or
I
not.
got one too.
Yeah, remember we said we both got a
Oh.
foot cream.
I like my
We got
ice.
a lot of duplicates.
I like the
You like
ice
the ice roller? Okay.
That's kind of cool.
That is kind of cool.
You know,
I wasn't
there you
expecting
go.
to like the ice roller.
Get rid of wrinkles.
Maybe.
I'll let you know.
I am 50, by the way. My mother is 75, so we're exactly 25
Almost
years
76.
apart. Almost 51. No, not quite. She'll be 76 in August.
Yeah.
So, overall, I think this is a really good box for FabFitFun. I love getting them. It's like Christmas. It's so much fun. Oh, I also like the Amiga. This is. I wish you. Maybe.
Yeah,
that
that's
would have been a good
nice.
one too. I think my least favorite item is definitely the brow, only because we don't use this. We'll have to get
Yeah.
this to somebody. And then the kind of the stinky foot cream.
Well, this gives you brows.
It does give you brows.
But I've tried brows.
This doesn't
and I
work.
look funny
I
with
know.
brows.
My husband's definitely getting the stinky foot cream. It's okay. It just, I'm not sure if what is that smell? I don't know. Someone smell this if they got this and let us know, because there's a distinctive scent in here that I don't like, and I'm not sure what it
Let
is.
me smell it. Mixed with the other thing.
Maybe I have it mixed with the coconut verbena.
Where should I put it?
Um,
I'm putting it on my hand.
I still can't figure out what the heck this is.
Smells like
You know what it
lemon.
smells like?
Lemon.
You know what it is? It smells like Vicks Vapo Rub. That's what it smells like.
Maybe.
I think it's the Vicks Vapo Rub, which I
Huh.
hate. I hate the smell of Vicks Vapo Rub.
I like
That's what it
Vicks.
smells like. Okay, well, here, you can have my foot cream. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. It's always super fun to do the FabFitFun. My mother likes coming on with to do FabFitFun because we each get a box. We will be back in, when do we get a next one? September? I think our next box is September. Don't forget the link if you want one, $10 off. And we're saying yay to this box, I think.
Yay.
Yeah? Yay. Thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.